Hey Taurus, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. This person, you could be separated from this person because this person could have like a family situation going on where it's like they're dealing with someone that they have children with or a child with. It could be a situation to where they're healing from family issues, like something that could have taken place in their childhood that they're needing to, heal from and they're needing to let go of. The parent could be involved, but it's like whatever's going on, Spirit is saying they need to stop trying to control how things should play out in their mind. That's what's going on, because at the end of the day, this person wants to come back to you and they know that you are their one true love. Okay. Issues. Clarify. Yeah, see, they're asking their friends to help them because they do want to come back and work things out with you. And see, with unrequited love, this person is not happy. They're not happy at all in their current situation. They're not happy with the way things played out with you. So, yeah. Somebody wants to come back. Alright, Virgo. So, let's see. I don't know why I felt like I heard someone say, I'm tired of love. Like, when somebody else coming in, like, I can't, this is the past person. Listen, I need y'all collectively to come together. Okay, and want someone new if that's what you want. Because I'm reading this energy. And so, somebody from the past is coming back. Okay? So, y'all know. I keep telling y'all these messages might not be for everyone. But let's just see how this plays out. Alright, Spirit. Virgo. Y'all nervous? Because I'm a little nervous for y'all. Because I don't know how this is about to play. I don't know how this is about to play out. Okay. So, you guys have death in reverse. So, some of you guys could be dealing with a Scorpio. But maybe this is somebody feeling like they're not going to have a new beginning. Or you don't want a new beginning. But see, there's the sun. I do feel like somebody wants happiness with you, Virgo. Could be a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But I feel like this person hurt you. They definitely did. And I feel like that's why I was telling you they're asking their friends for help. Because they're trying to figure out how to approach you, what to even say to you. They feel like they messed up so bad the last time, or, collectively all together, that you're not willing to open up and speak your truth to them. And now they're afraid that they're not going to be able to have wish fulfillment with you. They're not going to be able to have this happy home, this family that they want. See, I do feel like this person is scared. You could be dealing with the Capricorn here. Clarify? It's like they're scared because they're afraid that I'm telling you, you don't want the 10 of cups with them. So it's like they're trying to have the confidence to come towards you. And I feel like they will. But see, I'm telling you, they're afraid you're not going to give them a new beginning. You're not going to give them a chance to turn things around. Some of you could be dealing with an Aries. But it's like this person knows that they didn't bring stability into the situation between the two of you, see? And it caused an imbalance within the relationship. Somebody could be dealing with the Gemini. Yeah, see, this is what I'm telling you. They're feeling like things may not improve. Somebody could be in a third-party situation that they're trying to get out of. But at the end of the day, they're frustrated because somebody feels stuck. Like, I'm telling you, they don't know what to do. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign. Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But look at that. There's two queens here. So see what I'm saying? Somebody's trying to get out of a third-party situation. I have two women here. And y'all know I say it every time about my court cards. You see two women, it could be two men. But there's an earth sign here. Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. I'm telling y'all, fire and earth. I'm seeing it. But regardless, there are two women here. Okay? It's like this person could be trying to be positive about you, but maybe there's somebody standing in the way due to a financial situation. Let's see. Yep. This is why they're back and forth with the Six of Wands. The way that came out, it's like, I'm telling you, they want to have a victory with you, but they feel like it's not going to happen due to this third-party situation that they put themselves in. Tell me more. Justice. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Libra. Clarify justice. Let's see. See? They know that you're looking for the truth, you know, about this third party situation. I do feel like, honestly, for a lot of you guys, your justice was served. Due to the fact that they broke your heart, I feel like whoever they were dealing with, they broke their heart. It's like the grass wasn't greener. So let's see. Tell me more. Somebody learned their lesson. I'm telling you, I feel like your justice was served. Somebody learned their lesson and they're trying to move on. Somebody definitely was in a relationship that they're getting out of. For some of you guys, there could have been a marriage. Somebody could be going through a divorce. But I'm telling you, it's like they're moving away from this individual and they're wanting to come back to you. It's like the lesson has been learned. Tell me more. And see, they want to come back and give you an offer, Virgo. They're coming back. They're coming back to give you an offer because, see, now they see things clearly. It's like no nonsense. They know what they have to cut off. But at the end of the day, this offer is small because they did break your trust. So they have to rebuild. But they just don't have the strength right now to approach you because of what they have done. Some of you guys could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. What just jumped out? Ooh, back and forth about the Two of Cups. So, honestly, y'all, the way this fell out, it was laying perfectly horizontally straight. I'm telling you, this individual wants to come back to give you an offer of love, an offer of commitment, but at the same time, they're feeling like you're not going to take it due to everything that they have done. Could be dealing with a Virgo. I don't know if I said Leo. If I did, I'm sorry. But could be dealing with a Leo. But regardless, this was a lesson for this individual. I'm picking up this cycle that's just been going on with you guys for a while. And this person had to go through lessons. This is why this other individual came into their life. They had to go through their lessons. And see, now they're sitting back reflecting. They're sitting back thinking about everything. And this is why they're freeing themselves. Virgo, I mean, definitely you could be dealing with another Virgo. But honestly, I'm picking up the energy of this other individual where because they want to be with you, they know they can't play around anymore. This is why they're trying to get away from this third party individual here. They're freeing themselves. They're wanting to come back towards you. Yep, because look, they want to have a happy home with you. They want stability with you. Somebody's coming back. But see, right now, they're not talking to you. There's little to no communication. You don't know this because you may not be hearing anything, or if you guys are somewhat speaking, this person is not addressing the elephant in the room right now. Yeah, because they're sitting back thinking about everything that they did in the past. And see, it caused a lot of conflict. You know, I feel like there was a lot of arguing that took place with you guys in the past. This person, honestly, still could be somewhat arguing with the person that they've been dealing with as well. But I'm also picking up internal conflict. They're battling themselves because they know that they want to come towards you. They know that they want to give you this offer, but they're not saying anything. They're not doing anything because they feel like you're not going to take them back. See what I'm saying? This person is trying to make a decision, Virgo. They're trying to make a decision. For some of you guys, if there was a court situation going on, I feel like there is a battle in court right now, and they're waiting on a judgment. They're definitely waiting on, a decision. Because either which way, I'm telling you, this person's going to come back to give you an offer, and they're going to come in fast. This person is going to come in fast, once they get out of this situation. See what I'm saying? This person is trying to clear away obstacles. They're trying to get there. I almost cursed. I'm trying to work on that. Okay? This person is trying to get their stuff together, okay? Before they come back towards you. Because they don't want to bring any mess. They don't want to bring any drama. Because they know that if they do, you're not going to take their offer. You're not. And that's what they're afraid of. They're afraid that you're just not going to accept it either which way and walk away. See what I'm saying? That's why they're trying to be very strategic on how they go about doing this. See? This is why they're moving slow. I'm telling you, I don't know who this is for. Some of you guys could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But this person here, I'm telling you, they know what they want. They know who they want. They're going to be very confident. They're going to come towards you because, see, this person had to clean up their act. They had to get it together. And see, now they're manifesting something new to take place between the two of you. The Empress tried to jump out. I'm telling you, this person wants a new beginning with you. I'm telling you. But see, they know that they didn't bring balance in the situation. And honestly, what's going on in their life right now, maybe they're even feeling like there's no balance you know, with them, whether it's with finances or just mentally, emotionally, just anything. Some of you guys could be dealing with the Sagittarius. But see, they're back and forth. I'm telling you, guys, this person feels like they lost you for good. And it's like sometimes they're trying not to be frustrated about it because they do want to come towards you, but it's bothering them. You know, and that's what I'm telling you. I picked up internal conflict, like they're battling themselves. See, this person is having a hard time right now. This person wants to talk to you. They're having a hard time because maybe it's like they feel like they're not going to be able to have a commitment with you. But then at the same time, if they're in a relationship or if they're in a marriage, they're trying to get out of it. Tell me more. Yep, this is why things are moving slow. Okay. It's like, I'm telling you, they're stuck trying to decide how to go about doing this. They're sitting here trying to make a decision instead of just acting. They're just not doing anything. They're not saying anything. But see, y'all look at this. The world came out. I'm telling you, this individual wants to have this new opportunity with you. I do feel like they're secretly planning something. But they have to let go of people in the past that no longer serve them. But they're afraid that if they come to you and, you know, give you this new opportunity, you're going to drop them. You're going to drop them. Look at that. Y'all, I have 2 tens. Okay. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, this person's coming back. Whoever this is for, they're coming. Because I see that this karmic cycle that has been going on is done. There's going to be a new cycle that's starting. This person is coming back wanting to offer you stability. They're wanting to give you everything. But the reason why they're not putting in the work right now, there's this person still in the background that's trying to hold on to them very tightly due to something pertaining to finances, you know, and that's what it is. Remember, I told you guys they're trying to clear away obstacles right now in order to give you this offer. This person is coming, but it's like, I almost want to say they're fighting this demon, but it's like there's something, this person that they were dealing with, whether it's family, friends, you know, a romantic interest, like this person is toxic is what I'm picking up. And this is why this person is sad, because they made the wrong decision. They know they did. You could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio, but they're upset because it's like they're feeling like they're stuck or they're trapped in something and they don't know. It's like they're trying to get out of it, but they're trying to be very strategic on how that basically goes down. See? And they're afraid that, I'm telling you, you're going to cut them off for good. It's like you guys are like the Queen of Swords. You're done. You're tired. Again, you could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But see, this person feels like things may not improve because they did ghost you in the past. They left you out in the cold, and they're praying that you can forgive them for that. And the thing is, they know that they're going to come and speak their truth to you. They don't want you guys looking back at what took place in the past. But see, the way this death card came out, it's like some of you guys could be dealing with a Scorpio, but at the same time, they want a new beginning with you, but I'm telling you, they're feeling like it's not going to happen. They're feeling like it's not going to happen at all because they took too long. This person was moving very slow, and they could have been moving slow due to a financial situation, but they're just frustrated. They're frustrated within themselves. That's why I'm telling you, I kept picking up internal conflict. Some of you guys could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or another Virgo. But this person, I do feel like they're working on their stability, but I also do feel like they're going to come and give you that stable offer. They are. This person is going to give you an offer. But see, this is why, again, it's a lot of back and forth with this individual because they know that they didn't balance things out in the past. You guys were the ones doing everything. Yeah, they didn't balance things out. Also because there was a third party interfering here. Clarify? So, they made a decision. But they don't know how to go about doing it. I'm telling you. This person is battling themselves. They're trying to figure out what to do. How to even approach you. What to say. Because it's kind of like, in their mind, I only have one more shot with him or her. Like, that's it. This person is not playing with me. And they're trying to figure this out.